Welcome to 20 Muscle Cars, your ultimate destination for classic legends and modern muscle. Today, we dive into the return of an icon, the next-generation Plymouth Superbird. The legendary 1970 Superbird is back, reimagined with cutting-edge design while keeping its signature aerodynamic shape. The massive rear wing, pointed nose, and aggressive stance remain, but now with sleeker LED lighting and modernized bodywork that blends retro muscle with contemporary aerodynamics. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of vintage charm and modern tech. Premium leather sports seats, a digital driver display, and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto bring the Superbird into the modern era. A premium sound system, wireless charging, and ambient lighting enhance the experience. Under the hood, a monstrous supercharged 7.0L HEMI V8 roars to life, delivering over 850 horsepower. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, this beast hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. A reinforced chassis, adaptive suspension, and high-performance Brembo brakes ensure precision handling and stopping power. Technology meets performance with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Safety upgrades include a high-strength steel frame, multiple airbags, and advanced traction control for maximum stability. Starting at $150,000, the next-generation Plymouth Superbird is a limited production masterpiece, blending heritage with high-performance innovation. Orders are open, but only a lucky few will own.